Wholeness and balanced vibrations. It's Mystic Mommy here, and I hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to come on here and talk a little bit about one of my lifesavers, my plant medicine lifesavers. If you guys know me, I do have a very eventful life full of turbulence and ups and downs, and I do deal with stress and I do have anxiety, so these are things that I deal with and work on in my own ways. And so I wanted to talk about one of my lifesavers in my tool belt that I love, that is a reset button for me and for my whole system, my whole nervous system. And that is the Little Saints mocktails. They are plant magic mocktails, and they have CBD terpenes, botanical terpenes, and reishi mushroom, and it is literally a lifesaver for me. It says here, this plant magic mocktail is stacked with powerful plant extracts that make you feel good naturally, including fast-acting nano-emulsified CBD, premium botanical terpenes, and reishi mushroom extract. For best results, take a moment to smell the uplifting terpenes and smile while drinking. So I like to drink these whenever I'm terribly, terribly overwhelmed or even just super anxious and I just need to get myself together really quick. And these are literally everything. I've had this one actually sitting at my job in the fridge for the longest, just in case I rush to work and I'm having a difficult day and I just kind of need to, for work, basically. My favorite thing about these is that they have just like the most basic ingredients, so you don't have to worry about having a whole bunch of crazy GMOs and fructose corn syrups. You don't have to worry about that stuff. The only thing in here besides what I already said is carbonated water, citric acid, monk fruit juice, concentrate, stevia, salt, vegetable juice, and natural flavoring. So, and this contains less than 0.3% of THC, so this does not get you high. It's not for feeling high. This is for medicinal purposes. So this is something that is very relieving for people who are prone to anxiety, if you're stressed out, if you are planning on going somewhere to be social and you need just like a reset for yourself so that you can be around other people and be pleasant and things like that. That's what I use this for. And I actually use this for when I'm terribly overwhelmed and I'm at home with my kids. And I just feel like we all need a reset. We all need to just be more mindful. This really helps me become more present because it actually feels like it's centering my being, centering my energy. So like a lot of times when I'm terribly frustrated or anxious about something, it feels like my energy is just everywhere and it's moving and it's chaotic and it's uncontrollable. And literally I will drink one of these and within minutes it feels like just a refocusing and a centering, and it just helps me find inner peace. I know that sounds really like silly, but it's true, and it really is plant magic. So shout out to Little Saints. I love these people. They make quality products and they help a lot of people out. So they have 4 different flavors. This one is Plant Loma, and they also have a ginger mule, a espresso flavored one, and then a old-fashioned flavored mocktail. I prefer the ginger mule and the plant loma. Ginger mule is probably my favorite, but plant loma will do just fine. They need to be drunk. They need to be drunk right away once you take it out of the fridge. They taste the best when they're freezing cold, in my opinion. Kind of like how people say you gotta drink your Monster while it's freezing cold or it's just not good anymore. So highly recommend refrigerating your CBD mocktails, of course, and drinking them right out of the fridge. It's very refreshing, and it's just very fruity. Kind of citrusy a little bit, but just fruity and yummy. It is carbonated, like I said, so it's gonna make you go like a little bit. But like, I'm already kind of calming down just talking to you guys, but literally you'll feel the effects coming onto you, and it will just feel like all of that energy settles and just literally centers yourself. It makes you feel just so centered, and it even helps you kind of focus. It gives you some clarity in your mind, and it'll just make you have a better day. I mean, just feel more pleasant, more present. And it's just plants. Just plants doing their job, helping us. And that's why I love these. You can get these mocktails at our dispensary at Rise. And they're pretty cheap. And the effects will last you for a few hours, I would say. I can drink one on my way to work, for example, and I'll be good for the rest of the day. Like, that'll be enough to kind of just, you know, get me to a good starting point to where, you know, I can carry on with my day and not feel overwhelmed, not feel flustered, not feel scatterbrained. Like, it's very cerebral, the effects, so it's gonna help you calm your mind, refocus, bring clarity, and it just gives you just a wonderful sense of inner peace. That's why I love these so much. And I literally just got done saging my home because I don't know what I walked into when I came home from work today, but things felt weird. It felt tense. It felt overwhelming. And I don't know what it is, but I'm trying to cleanse it, and I'm trying to just reset the rest of the day so me and my boys can, you know, enjoy our days together. So I'm trying to get myself right, and we're all taking a break, chilling for right now. I just saged the whole house, and we're cleansing the space, and I have meditation music on that's supposed to be boosting the vibrations. So this is what we're doing today on this Monday morning, or Monday afternoon. So I drank all of this. By the way, this is an 8-ounce can, and it's 10 milligrams of CBD in here, and it is made with the nano emulsion process. So what that does is it helps the effects of the CBD get into your bloodstream sooner than most edibles would allow for cannabinoids to, you know, go into your bloodstream. So usually, for example, when you eat some gummies or something, usually it takes you about, excuse me, that's the carbonation. Usually it will take about 45 minutes for edibles usually to kick in, for you to start feeling the effects. But because the little saints are made from the nano emulsion, the CBD kicks in much faster. Within like 5 to 15 minutes, I would say, you'll start feeling those relieving effects. And it's wonderful. And it's helped a lot of people, and I hope it will continue to help those who are out here stressing and flustered and scatterbrained and worried for all sorts of reasons in this crazy world that we live in. So I hope this helps someone out there. And thank you so much for listening to me. I am Mystic Mommy, of course, aka Bree from Rise. Get your Little Saints mocktails at our dispensary here in the UP, Iron Mountain Rise stores. We have 3 locations now: Gaylord, Iron Mountain, and Marquette. You can come see me, hashtag Bree from Rise, here in Iron Mountain, and get yourself some Little Saints. Thanks for watching.